everybody. So by seeing my promo by this time you would have understood that I am doing something special for Navratri. So Navratri series, Dasara series, you can see the celebration already started in my house. So today Navratri means 9 days. So Dasara will be celebrated for 9 days because Devi Parvati, which means Devi Durga, fought against evil demons for 9 days, for which the first day will be celebrated as Devi Shailaputri. So, why did this name come, Devi Shailaputri? So, after the Sati, so I'm sure you all know about the Devi Sati story. So that is Devi Parvati in her previous birth had taken birth to Daksha Prajapati. Her name was Sati, where she got married to Lord Shiva against her father's wish, and then one fine day when there was a puja in Daksha Prajapati's house, Devi Sati and Shiv weren't invited, but still Devi Sati insisted on going, and she went to their house and saw everybody humiliating her and her husband. So she burnt herself, and then later in her next birth, she took birth in Shailraj, the king of Himalayas, the Parvatraj daughter. She took birth over there, and then her name was Parvati. So the name over there comes as Shailputri because Shailraj daughters is Shailputri. So the first day will be celebrated for Shailraj daughters Shailputri. So yes, over here a few rituals will be followed. For first day of Navratri or Dasara, we do a small stapana for a kalasha, which you can see over here. A small stapana for the kalasha, this one, and then we'll be celebrating by doing archana and puja and so on, where it is recommended to wear gold in few sampradayas, and where in few places they have recommended to go with red or yellow, but then it's up to you how you take it. Yeah. So today I'm wearing all gold and I'm feeling so good. And few places they mention about Naivedyam. Naivedyam is something that we keep for God while before doing Mangalarti. So in Naivedyam, few recommend Chelpindi, that is a Telugu dish or a Telugu name of the dish, I can say, which I really don't know how to say to you guys. Any day I will show you what it is. So that is one thing which will be recommended, and the color is gold. We do puja of flowers, and then we do archana, and in few places or in few houses in according to their cultures, few people keep a cloth piece to God for everyday puja, so that color also shall be the gold. And other than this, in few places where people do parayana of Durga Saptashati for these days, over there such people do puja for Devi as Mahankali Devi. So this is the reason, because she will be the reason to kill Madhukaita demons. So Madhukaita demons will be killed by Lord Narayana, Devi's uh, where Devi's contribution or willness will be there. That is what I can say. So for this, they do puja for her as Mahankali Devi. So this is the story of the day one. There are so many dolls you can see which is kept in our house. So I will show you each doll or each story. There are few stories also over there in the representation of the dolls. I will show you each doll story every day. So today I will go with the Kalyanam set over there. Yes, you can see it right over there. That is the Kalyanam set. There's nothing much I can actually explain it over here to you guys, because you all know what is Kalyanam. You all know what is marriage. So it's nothing else. I just show you the idols and tell what are they doing or something. My commentary from my side. So you can see over here, this is the South Indian Kalyanam. So in South Indian Kalyanam and North Indian Kalyanam, I mean the Shadi both are different, and it's different as per the rituals. And over here it is the South Indian Kalyanam. So here you can see the first is the bride and the groom, these two, and then you can see the pandit over here with his kumkum, posvu, and thali, the whole thali, and then here is the fire kund, and then these two are kalshas. This is also kalsha. This I seriously don't know what it is, and a few people are doing. I can say orchestra in the marriage. This man, and then this man, this boy also. This is, I guess he is a boy, right? Yeah, this boy also, and there are few guests who have come for the marriage. So you will see the guests. So these two are sisters. These two are little sisters, I can say. These two are Ajitata grandparents, and then their family members or the guests who have come. Yeah, this is today's set, the Kalyanam set. Oh, this is an elephant which is collected randomly and kept for the decoration. That's all. So, guys, this is the day one Navratri. You can say vlog, you can say video, you can say story, Navratri story, Dasara story. You can say whatever you wish to say. So, this is the day one thing. Thank you so much for watching.